All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's getting ready to snow. Actually, it is starting to snow. Like I said, we're expecting somewhere between 8 and 12 inches of snow. We've been trying to run around here this morning, or this evening. Yeah, been trying to run around here this afternoon, getting things ready for the snow. And right now we're going to move KJ's trailer from where it currently is down out of the way, because the next project is coming to Mongo's Garage here this afternoon. KJ's over there moving the hitch on his trailer so that we can use Pat to get it hooked up. You ready? Yep. So you can't put a trailer on a brand new truck that you just built and not find out how it tows. So we brought Pat up here to the high school just real quick to see what how he did. And actually, that's a pretty heavy trailer. I know it's a 12,000 pound GVW, but I forget exactly what the trailer weighs. I think it's just over 4,000 pounds. But that trailer, in case you were wondering, my son, you guys know Kenny. Kenny bought it off of Diesel Creek. If you don't know who Diesel Creek is, scoot your butt over there and check his channel out right now. And I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy what he does. But that's Diesel Creek's old trailer. We picked it up there about a year ago, right? Almost longer than that. And we use it quite a bit. It's a nice little trailer. So yeah, that's what Pat looks like with a trailer on him. KJ kind of saw that and immediately said, yeah, now we got to level it, Dad. I don't like that rake. But if you level it and then you put the trailer on, then it's actually going to go backwards. That's why it sits up in the butt like that with 3/4 ton springs, is so that we can put a trailer with a load on it. But it does look pretty good on there. Everything's nice and hunky-dory. Trailer's actually a little bit high in the front, which is good. And the truck has actually still got a little bit of a rake to it as well, so we can load the trailer. And I think Pat would do very well with it. As you can see, the lights are working on the trailer, so we did get all the trailer wiring correct. And all we have now is to put the trailer brake controller on it. As you can hear, Pat's sitting there just tinkering away, idling, just as like a nice little sewing machine that he is. A lot of people are saying that either A, it has freckles, or B, it has the mumps. I think it's freckles, because freckles are sexy. So yeah, there's Pat, guys. I think it's looking real good. What do you think? Give us a comment. All right, guys, it's really cold out here. We're going back to the house. All right, Kenny, so tell me a little bit about your truck. What do you think of Pat so far?
It's slow.
It's slow.
Yep.
But you expected that, right?
Yep.
You didn't think it was going to be a race truck?
No.
306?
Yeah, we need a 460 5-speed in it.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you watch a fuel gauge go down.
Well, you can do that now.
Yeah, it's on empty right now.
So, what's the biggest surprise with the bull nose so far?
Nothing really.
Nothing really? What do you like the best about the truck?
It starts.
It starts?
Doesn't take 9 years to crank.
Doesn't, like the diesel on the cold. Do you like how it looks?
Yeah. Would have liked to go a little darker on the tin. Looks good.
And then at night though, the tint is a little dark.
Yeah.
And the back window is a little darker than the side windows. I can see that right now where you're sitting.
Yeah.
Because I can see both of them.
It's not bad though. Oh, we didn't even put this sticker on yet.
Yeah, the
VR3, class 3.
weight class sticker. So what we're doing is we're down here in the field. We just moved the trailer. The trailer is, can you see it? There's the trailer back there. We parked it beside the rail shed. And we're waiting on Chad to show up. Chad actually has what's going to be the next project here at Mongo's Garage. What's the biggest drawback, do you think, of your new truck?
It's a half ton.
It's a half ton. It's the first half ton you've ever owned, isn't it?
First half I've ever driven on the road.
First half ton.
I've owned 3 or 4 before this.
This is the very first truck. What?
There's Chadwick.
This is your very first truck that you have a the title is in your name, isn't it?
Yep.
So
Jesus, holy freaking trailer. Not a bigger trailer.
probably not. So yeah, like we were telling you guys, it's supposed to be snowing here real soon. So we wanted to get the next project over here. The garage is still a catastrophe inside, but this is the next one headed up the garage or up the lane here now. The horse trailer? Yeah, apparently we're gonna start horsing around.
Getting hot in here, dude.
It is a Dodge after all.
Chevy Toomey.
Yeah, Chad opted for the Chevrolet mirror conversion on his Dodge so that we wouldn't pick on him anymore about the tow mirrors being flipped up. And as you can see, it has Chevrolet mirrors on it.
They actually look pretty decent.
I mean, as far as a Chevy or a Dodge with Chevy mirrors on it goes, yeah, I guess they look okay. Go find out what's in the trailer. All right, Chad Moore, say hello to my YouTube followers.
Hello.
They've seen you before. Say hi, Beth.
Hi.
KJ. What's in the trailer, everybody? Let's see what we get to work on next. This is General Lee. It did move. Did it move? Didn't hit anything. Your goal? 1969 Charger. Chad's had all the quarters and everything done to it. As you can see, it does have new fenders on it. Last time I saw it, I don't believe it had fenders on it. But the guy that did the quarters to this car wasn't able to finish them, so we're going to mount it on the rotisserie and we're going to get them finished, and then hopefully get the whole thing squirted in some urethane primer for him. And if I can talk him into it, we're going to choose a color and get the color painted underneath too. I do believe there's a set of frame connectors on their way for it. We're going to get those installed underneath of it and see where we get with it. It's like we said, she's got full quarters done to her already. Chad's telling me now that this is the portion of the quarter that wasn't completed yet, so we'll get that done. And then we're going to work out some things. Chad's finding little quirks, and I'm sure we'll find more as we go, as we get it turned over and see. But he's telling us that there's some misalignment here in the right-hand corner back here at the sail panel. We'll get that taken care of. And we'll just figure it all out. See where we go from there. You got to love the tail end of a 69 Charger. It's going to be fun. Alright, that's all you get to see for now. It'll be on the rotisserie the next time you see it.